2020 Fourwinns 230 Horizon. Boat is in like new condition. It was never put into water. It has 0.4 hours on. That was from the factory and us running it. Extended spin platform. Volvo dual prop. It's got the heavy duty trailer, electric brakes. If you are looking for a like new boat, here it is. It's a 2020 Fourwinns 230 Horizon. This boat has a 0.4 hours on it. It's new condition. So it's got the upgraded Volvo Penta 380 horse V8, Bravo 3 drive, dual prop drive. My customer ordered this boat and he got so busy with work he never had time to use it. Kept it in a heated building. It's got the bow filler cushion right here, and he never used it. So it is brand new. Nice large sun pad with a walk-through.